Hello, and thanks for joining us for B-Sides Pittsburgh 2026 Speaker Series. My name is Justin Leapline, and I'm one of the hosts of Distilled Security podcast. Today, I have with me Harshad Kadam. Harshad, could you introduce yourself and discuss a little bit about your talk?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Justin, for having me over here. My name is Harshad Kadam, and by day, I'm a senior infrastructure security engineer at Indeed.com.
Okay.
And at B-Sides Pittsburgh, I'll be presenting actually two talks. One is like a big talk on agentic deception incubator, something which has kind of evolved into a big framework now. Um, so that's basically the first talk, and the second talk is around an infrastructure edge security side of things, which is called FlareGuard Edge. So it's a lightning talk where I will be kind of
Okay.
presenting how you can catch misconfigurations before they become breaches for your organizations.
Okay.
So those two talks, I think, have been something which I've been working since last year. Now have kind of turned into frameworks. Especially, I think recently, ThinkSet actually cited my work for the agentic deception incubator with their MCP canary token launch. So it's good to
Awesome.
kind of see, like, the field which you are doing research in,
Yeah.
getting recognition from some thought leaders in the space already. So
Yeah, and that'll be phenomenal. You coming to Pittsburgh here and actually talking about both of them. So a lot of good work goes into it, and I'm sure 1 hour won't do it justice. But I'm excited for hearing what you've done and see all the hard work that's gone into it and everything. Great. So what are a couple of things you're hoping the audience takes away from both of your talks? Really?
sure. So I think given my background, like, I've always thought about like how you can create value for the business as well as like when you're building these tools.
Hmm.
So first talk was especially around that of like how you're going to build that tool, which I'm talking about with agentic deception incubator, build your own traps for catching this AI recon, and basically take that learning and apply it in your own infrastructure to basically kind of come up with a strategy of like how the deception engineering can be operationalized,
Okay.
because it's more like high fidelity signal as defenders are like buried in the noise. This talk is going to actually show you how you can get like a high confidence signal out of it.
Okay.
So
Great.
yeah, and the second talk, I think what I want to kind of bring is, like when I was thinking about this problem space, you have Wiz, you have Fairmon, the softwares which people have used for catching the drift misconfigurations in your edge. But what if like there is no security budget for you at that point? Can you actually build something for free, just by using the logic, and like and the free APIs which are out there?
Yeah.
So the goal for the attendees will be to kind of look at the business problem, come up with like your own solutions, and then build it yourself, and then make sure that community is there to support you in that. So
Yeah. That sounds phenomenal. Yeah. So great, awesome talks with that. So yeah, audience, make sure you come out and visit. But to kind of wrap up here, is there anything else you're looking forward to from a B-Sides Pittsburgh perspective?
yeah, I'm really excited to kind of come back to Pittsburgh. So my wife originally has lived and worked in Pittsburgh,
Okay.
so it's kind of good to come over there. B-sides, I've gone to different B-sides. I think Pittsburgh is going to be something more personal for me this time.
Yeah,
uh,
absolutely.
yeah, and really looking forward to meeting people. And I think overall, I think the security community in Pittsburgh, that's what I'm more excited to meet at this point. So yeah.
Yeah, it is. Speaking from experience, it is a good community and everything. And I think we have over 1,000 signed up for B-Sides Pittsburgh. So it will definitely be a good opportunity to meet new people and just kind of share their experience and everything. So, well, thank you, Arshad. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk about both of your, awesome talks that are coming up here. And for the audience, stay tuned. We're doing a number of other speakers and talking about their talks. So keep an eye out for those. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye. All right. Thank you, sir.